Welcome to Hadoop University. As there is a lot of scrap and mollifying information available in the space, we want to present you the concrete and correct explanation for the buzz question, what is big data? Before understanding what is big data, let us have a look at things that are leading. Data explosion. What is this data explosion? Data explosion is huge amount of data that is entering into our machines. Why this much of data entering into our machines? Let's dig into primary reasons. Cost per byte. Cost per byte has been reduced almost 20 million times. Here we present a line graph representation which differentiates cost per gigabyte between 1980 and 2009. Next reason for data explosion is size of data storage device. This is the 250 megabyte data storage 20 years back, but today this is 1 terabyte data storage which we can hold in our hands. Finally, data explosion leading us to move beyond the decimal system. Today data scientists uses yottabytes to describe how much government data the NSA or FBI have on people altogether. In near future, broadbyte will be measurement to describe the type of sensor data that will be generated from the Internet of Things. Let's observe major sources of data. Primary reason for this huge amount of data is data from social networking sites. This image illustrates how much data can be generated in 60 seconds across the web. E-commerce websites also generate lot of data as they have to analyze the consumer behavior. Today wherever we go, we will be generating digital data through various sensors. Finally, today mobile phones are not just for making the calls, but we generate lot of data from the mobile phones too. Now let's see what is big data. Anything provided to a computer is called data. Earlier days we were having little amount of data in digital form, but today due to various reasons it grew and still growing. So we are calling it as big data. The traditional definition of big data is all the digital data that is available in any form is called big data. There are three forms of data. Those are structured, semi-structured and unstructured. Here are the examples each form of data. We discussed the traditional definition for big data, but big data is characterized by 5 V's. The first V is volume. It talks about huge data entering into our machines. The second V is variety. As we already discussed, it can be in any form that is structured or semi-structured or unstructured. The third V is velocity. How fast our machines are flooded with data. For example, we can say Facebook is having 1 petabyte per day as velocity. This information helps us in planning our infrastructure. Fourth V is variability or veracity. The change or correctness of data. If we take small amount of data also, there is chance of incorrectness. So it is definite in case of big data. So it's a challenge to the developers to accept only correct data. The last V is value. This is also big data developers' responsibility to load the data which can benefit the purpose. Let's have a look at some applications of big data. It is applicable across the domains, starting from customer analytics to fraud analytics up to the extent of drug recovery. Thank you for watching. In this short session we understood what is big data. Drop your queries in the comment section. Please register yourself to join our free Hadoop course.